Lesson 7. More on Internet. In this lesson, 1. Definitions of Internet terms: World Wide Web, website, web page, home page, hyperlink, web browser and URL. 2. Opening a website in web browser. 3. Identification and use of various buttons present on the toolbar. 4. How to use search engine. 5. Recognizing the various components in Internet Explorer. Introduction. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. The computers may be present at different places, cities, or even in different countries. These computers are connected to one another using telephone lines, cables, or some other means. Let's discuss some important Internet terms. Internet terms: World Wide Web, WWW. World Wide Web was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest collection of information on the Internet. WWW contains millions of websites that provide information in the form of text, animation, pictures, and videos. Computer manners. Children should limit the amount of time they spend on the Internet. Do not download anything from an unknown website unless you are sure that it is a safe one. Remember, the terms Internet and World Wide Web are one and the same. The Internet establishes a global data communication system between computers. In contrast, the web is one of the services communicated via the Internet. It is a collection of interconnected documents and other resources. Website. A website is a set of related web pages containing content, media such as text, image, video, audio, etc. about many things such as a person, business organization, educational institutes, and web page. Web page is part of a website. It is a document or information that is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. It can be physically many times the length of an A4 sheet of paper or only a few lines. Home page. The very first page which appears when you open a website is called the home page of that website. For example, look at the home page of www.friendspublication.com. This page contains the introductory information about the website. Hyperlink. A web page also contains hyperlinks beside text and pictures. A hyperlink may be a text or picture. A hyperlink text is generally underlined and shown in different colors. If you click a hyperlink, it leads you to the part of the web page to which it is linked. Remember, when you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer generally takes the shape of a hand as shown. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Every website on the Internet has a unique address. The address of website or web page is called the Uniform Resource Locator or URL. For example, the URL for GameStop website is http://www.gamestop. For example, the URL of GameStop website is http://www.gamestop.com. URL of some other websites are http://www.cartoonnetwork.com, http://www.nationalgeographic.com, http://www.disney.com, http://www.www.disney.com, worldkids.net. Web browser. A web browser is a special software or program that lets you view all the beautiful pictures, text, CD images, video and animation present in the website. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari. How to open a website in a web browser? To open a website on the computer, type the address of the website in the address bar of web browser. Let's learn about Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer has been the most widely used web browser since 1999. It is a part of MS Windows operating system. Internet Explorer can be opened in two ways. Follow the steps given below to open Internet Explorer. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. Click the Internet Explorer. Alternatively, click the Internet Explorer icon from the Quick Launch bar on the system tray. As you click on this icon, the Internet Explorer window appears in which you can open any website. For example, look at the following screen of the Internet Explorer showing a website. Let us learn about various components of Internet Explorer window. Address bar. The address of a website is typed in the address box of the address bar. After writing the address, Enter key is pressed to open the website. The address bar contains two buttons. Refresh button. The refresh button is clicked to start reloading the particular web page or site when that particular website or web page is not getting completely open due to some stop button. A website can be stopped from being displayed while it is still opening by clicking the stop button. If a hyperlink is clicked by mistake, you can stop it by clicking the stop button. Back button. Suppose you have opened different web pages in the same window. The back button is used to go backward from current page to the previous page. Forward button. Forward button is available only after you click the back button. It is used to go forward in the direction opposite to backward. Command bar. The command bar contains several buttons on it. These buttons are used to make browsing faster and easier. Some of them are Home button. Using Home button, you can go back to the home page of the browser window. The home page of Internet Explorer can be different and you can even set it according to your choice. Print button. Printout of a web page can be obtained by clicking this button. Help button. This button contains option for help on Internet Explorer. Favorites button. Sometimes you can find a particular web page interesting. You can save the URL address of this particular site in the web browser with the help of this button. Tabs. Different websites can be opened at the same time using tabs. Click the New Tab button and you get a new tab to open another website. Recent Pages button. It shows a list of recently opened websites. History button. The list also contains a history button that shows the list of web pages you have visited during a particular number of days or week. Do you know? Internet is a short form of the technical term international network. The Internet is also often referred as the net. Practice time. 1. Open Microsoft Internet Explorer. 2. Type http://www.gamestop.co in address box. 3. Click the Go button. 4. See the different hyperlinks and click on any one. Look at the status bar while the link page opens up. 5. Click any one hyperlink present on it. 6. Click back button to go back to the previous page. 7. Click forward button to go again to the hyperlink page. Click the new tab button and open the website www.friendspublication.com. 9. Click recent pages button to see the website visited on your computer. Do you know? Basic computer etiquette, usually given the slang term netiquette, is a set of rules and guidelines for proper interaction across the web. How to search on internet. There are millions of websites and web pages available on internet. They contain information on almost all the subjects and topics. It is not always possible to know the addresses of all the websites that contain information about any particular subject. You can only remember a limited number of addresses of websites. For this purpose, you have to use search engines and directories. Search engines. Internet search engines are those websites that search information according to the words or terms written by you. Some of the popular search engines are Google, www.google.com, Yahoo, www.yahoo.com, Ask, www.ask.com, Bing, www.bing.com. Suppose you want to search latest sports records on the internet, open a search engine with your browser. For example, open www.yahoo.com and type latest sports records in the space provided for writing search term. Press enter or click Yahoo search button. In the same way, you can search for books, games, news, songs, jokes, and movies or any other topic of your choice. Computer manners. Never disclose your password to any outsider while working on the internet to avoid hacking problem. Quick recap. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. World Wide Web (WWW) is the largest collection of information on the internet. A web page contains many things besides text and pictures. It also contains hyperlinks. The address of a website or web page is called the Uniform Resource Locator or URL. Search engines are websites on the internet that provide the facilities to search and find information. Words to remember. Internet, a global system of interconnected computer networks. World Wide Web, the largest collection of information on the internet. Website, a set of related web pages containing content. Uniform Resource Locator, the address of a website or web page. Web browser, a special software that helps in viewing a website. Print button, a button used to take print out of a web page on a paper. Search engines, websites that search required information according to the words or terms that are stated.